My name is Ingrid Spock, and as the press spokesperson for the Wien 3420 Aspern Development AG, I'm responsible for communications. Wien 3420 is the company that is developing Aspern, Vienna's Urban Lakeside project and one of the largest urban development projects in Europe. The city of Vienna not only is growing very quickly, but also strongly believes in the importance of ensuring that this growth is accompanied by quality of life. The smart city strategy of the city of Vienna is constantly focused on people. Innovation always plays into this goal, that quality of life should be good and sustainable. It's about digital building solutions, it's about innovative solutions for construction and the real estate industry itself. One of the great advantages of building with prefabricated components is of course clean and fast construction. We here in the Seestadt have already been able to observe this. The more prefabricated construction is used, the less dust and noise is generated. In the Seestadt, we would like to experiment with this more, and we also encourage developers to try out this construction method. We also see other advantages, namely that the gain in efficiency through prefabricated construction is translated into ecology and sustainability benefits, because that is our overriding goal, to build very sustainably, to create comfortable buildings for all those who already live here, and of course to build quality structures for the people who will then live or work in these buildings. One of the first projects and part of the Pioneer Quarter, which was awarded the State Prize for Architecture and Sustainability, is construction site D10, our townhouse. D10 was built in prefabricated construction, and the builders, Mischek and Strabag, are proven partners in the Seestadt. We know that they are innovative, reliable, and above all, fans of the Seestadt.
Mischek Systembau produces wall and slab elements such as semi-prefabricated elements, double elements, filigree slabs and double walls. For residential buildings in and around Vienna, we produce mainly solid walls, a 15-centimeter slim solid wall, straight stairs, elevator shafts, loggia slabs and walls, and parapet elements with or without a structural matrix. Together with Strabag, we have built about 25% of all buildings in Aspern Seestadt. We use the tools from Planbar, initially Planbar, and in the last 2 to 3 years, TIM also, to create the shop drawings for them. Planbar and TIM help us to produce high-quality data through their simple operation on the one hand, and on the other hand, through the TIM Quality Manager, which assures us that after the approval of the data by our customer, pure and proper data is sent to production.
When you come to the Seestadt now, you will see a very large construction site that will remain visible for many years to come. At the moment, a little more than a third has been built. When the Seestadt is finished, it will cover an area of around 240 hectares, which is as much as 340 soccer fields or the entire first district of Vienna.